Outsourcing writing services can be tricky. You need to clarify exactly what you want and need. Define the target audience. Explain your customer's journey and provide keywords for optimization to help writers create better content that exceeds your expectations. Let us show you how easy it is to place orders.
Placing orders is easy for anything you need. Writing, editing, translation, content strategy, and even stock images and videos. Let's take a closer look at writing orders. Document what you need and when you need it. Select eligible writers and one writer picks it up. Try Match Me Up and our algorithm makes the match. Clarify the how much you need and what you want to pay. Our star rating system removes the haggling. Select add-ons for each order, like topic ideas from the writer or Facebook posts or tweets. Customize the production schedule to meet your needs. Add a Create Briefs to explain your business, audience, and goals. Post master instructions to define the do's and don'ts. Add detailed instructions to help writers create great content. Selecting the best options like keywords required for optimization, or buyer persona to clarify the target audience, or customer journey maps to animate the strategy. Record voice instructions to share vision firsthand, and place your orders with just enough information, saving all the work to make future orders even faster. Writers pick up your orders in minutes, and email alerts keep you on track.